Tired of getting crushed in Fractured Factory? I'm about to hand you the blueprint to victory in Blooket Tower Defense too. First, tower placement is key focus on the choke points near the beginning of the track with ninja blooks. Their shurikens can hit multiple enemies and slow them down early, and we will be placing 3 ninja blooks near the beginning. Next, after placing 3 ninja blooks, place an Astronaut Blook at the top of the map. This will deal area damage to a bunch of blooks at once. Be sure to upgrade your ninja blooks. Don't waste resources. Upgrade your ninja blooks twice before investing in more towers. A strong base is better than a scattered defense. Keep an eye on the wave patterns when armored enemies show up. Prioritize king blooks near the end of the track. Their high damage output will be essential. And that's it. Follow these tips, adapt to the waves, and you'll conquer the Fractured Factory in no time. Good luck, Blooket Defenders.